Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by checking essentials: brakes engaged, footrest secure, occupant ready and informed. Once done, assign rolls, 1 leader at the rear, 2 spotters at the sides. Make sure the chair type matches the technique. Powered chairs need battery confirmation. Approach the stair edge slowly at a 30 to 45 degree angle so you can control momentum. Keep your hands steady on push rims or frame, move deliberately. This setup minimizes surprises and sets you up for a controlled descent. You and your team now coordinate the descent. The leader tilts the chair back just enough to load the rear wheels and prevent front casters from catching. Once stable, side spotters steady the armrests while the rear leader gently eases the chair down 1 step at a time. Make sure to communicate each small movement, count down and pause between steps. Move deliberately, don't rush. Using short, synchronized motions keeps the center of gravity controlled and prevents sudden forward pitch or slippage. Complete the maneuver by placing the wheelchair fully on the landing, then slowly release the tilt and lower footrests before locking the brakes. Once done, confirm the occupant is comfortable and perform a quick inspection of wheels and brakes. If anything feels off, a slip, odd resistance, or wobble, stop immediately, stabilize the chair, and reassess your plan. If necessary, call for additional trained help or use a mechanical stair climber attachment. This quick troubleshooting step prevents minor issues from becoming emergent.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.